Good afternoon. My name is Cheyenne Smeaton, and I am here to present to you about our crisis communication kit for Hill's Pet Nutrition. The summary of our crisis communication kit is to provide evidence, transparency, and support to our end users in order to define our message. The mission of Hill's Pet Nutrition is to help to enrich, lengthen, and special relationships between people and their pets. Our audience can subscribe to a newsfeed channel for updates on the different research projects that are being conducted. Our website also carries information for our end users and provides transparent facts and statistics. Our resources are articles on our website that come from scientists and researchers, so this allows our end users to trust us, especially because we have science backing up our claims as to why we are providing our products. In case of an obstacle or an emergency like a recall on food, all customers would be notified by either mail, email, or any form of contact that we have for them. So this provides them a sense of trust to understand that we will make all of our efforts necessary to contact them with the proper instructions of what to do during a crisis. If a product is on recall, then it is our responsibility to let our pet owners know. We can connect with the media by using Twitter and putting promotional campaigns and ads on there, as well as asking large companies like Hulu, HBO Max, etc. if we could place an ad for their large company. So by placing an ad, more consumers will be able to see and purchase our product, as well as using social media. With this plan, our consumers will feel a sense of trust and will feel more inclined to keep buying our products, especially since they have easy access to resources and articles that are scientifically backed. Our overall message priority is trust and transparency. We want to ensure our consumers feel trusted towards our company and that they continue to buy our product. Our transparency is that our huge message of our company is that we want to provide the best care that we can for your pet's health. So us being transparent in a crisis like a food recall is very important so that our consumers know that we are there for them. We also want to help enrich the lives of our pets and provide information on how our company responds during a crisis and how our consumers are informed. Who are the end users? The end users is the consumers. So the consumers are the pet parents that are buying our product, and they are the number one reason why our company thrives and survives. Our company would not be able to thrive off of any profits without these consumers. Those profits from the consumers allows us to continue our science-based research, which then enables us to provide great products to our pet parents. We want to communicate to our consumers that we are a company that has your pet's health in our best interest. The purpose of the kit is to provide a healthy relationship with our consumers, to provide a sense of relief, to provide clarity and transparency, and it also allows our consumers to tell we care as a company about their pet's health. Also, it allows our consumers to feel like they are a part of our company and gives off a sense of family values, because our company would do anything to help support our consumers during a company crisis. And it is extremely important to build healthy relationships with our customers. Our accomplishes is that our plan is to accomplish a sense of peace and relief during a crisis. In order for our plan to accomplish this, we need to provide transparency, information, and clear instructions during a time of crisis. So that goes back to being able to provide any means of contact, so through email, through phone, through text message, through news center. We want to ensure that our consumers are being informed during a crisis. Our plan is to accomplish by mode of contact and reiterating to our clients how we contact them. So it is very important that during our plan, we are letting our owners understand and know that there are various forms of contact that they can either make or that we will make in order to inform them about what's happening. Example of our message is a great example would be a food recall. So in 2019, our company notified the FDA about one of our product lines having high levels of vitamin D within its kibble. During this time, a newsletter had been sent out to our consumers as well as a PSA on our website. Our clients were able to be informed and take the proper steps because they adhered to the communication plan. Now, with this food recall, it was only 2 dogs that did get vitamin D toxicity, and these 2 dogs were in separate states, and they also had no correlation to each other besides this dog food. So our company took it upon ourselves as a voluntary recall to recall this food and put out a mission statement about why we recalled this food so that our consumers would understand and know, and we also would not cause a panic in our consumers as well. Another example would be animal welfare. A lot of consumers always have questions and concerns about how we treat animals during science-based research, and often the public wonders about how our company specifically is treating the animals during our labs. So on our website, we have an entire page dedicated to animal welfare and how we participate. This allows our consumers to feel safe when purchasing a science-based diet. They now know that they can choose an ethical brand that takes care of their animals as well as the consumers. And here is some works cited pages, and I just have down at the bottom some logos of some of the different brand lines that Hill's Pet Nutrition does have. So we have the science diet and we also have the prescription diet. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.